Miyabe-yabe laking chapel piazza na ning Holy Angel University ng estudyante ang pong empleyado, kaya bering karelang seseng aso ang pong pusa para king pamagmasusi, hing kapiesta ng St. Francis de Assisi. St. Francis de Assisi kilalanan dang patron daring ayop uling metuya karing linugod kareti, at ayabe na laking ayop karing kem preaching.
With the Archdiocese, itang Catholic Halloween, if you remember, in-start miya rin ta, ang po itang Angelus in different languages, buriming i-propagate itang old tradition na renganak mumulila bayo dalumdum at mga dilang Angelus together with their family. So this is the third balamo initiative of the university para i-revive itang Catholic tradition ita.
Agpagang Roby Tanting, kung executive director na ng House Center for Kapampangan Studies, burida rin naparatang karing memale na dapat lang luguran ding ayop, uling milalang naman pa uli ng Ginoo.
Dapat dahil kaya katamong animals, sesesen, dahil livestock, actually, yung pets, livestock, actually, all animals, whether they're insects or fish or birds, because they are God's creation, kailangan luguran tala naman. Kasi nung atinta talagang love for all of God's creation, ma-reflect itang love tamo to the one who created it, who created all of them.
Penny muna ng Father Mark Anthony Torre Carrion ipamabandisyon karing aso at pusa, akesayada naman ding fur parents.
Actually, parang na-surprise ako na meron dito kasi like di naman, alam ko parang di pet friendly yung campus, ganun. Tapos like wala naman po masyadong nagpapa-pet blessing na nakikita. So, pumunta na kami. Parang, as part of my faith, parang gusto ko rin na bless siya, gano'n.
Yakoy kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.